Okay, step 9, login page. Goal of this step, we will make login page like this one. The code is almost same with register page, so first just copy and paste code, then I will explain important part of code. So this is the final code, so please just copy this code and open login page. This is a login page, so just replace all code. So please save this. So let's check the login page. Okay, so it's working. As you did in register page, first we need to declare global key and make controller, first email and password controller, and then declare this post. And this is a form and login form key and text form field and decoration, controller and keyboard type and validator and text form field for password, password controller, this is decoration, validator and container and on press async and check validate, and this is a Firebase code, so we'll check this later. And there's also the link to register page. This is exactly what we did in register page. So check the Firebase source sign code. This is a part of Firebase sign. Also, this is a typo, sorry, sign code. This code is based on official example. So this is just copy the official example. So please open this example and copy this code and let's find this. Okay, this one example code of how to sign with email and password. This is exactly the same code. Okay, so let's try the login. So please remember the email and password. So login. Okay, it worked correctly. So this is the finish of step 9 login page.